Hello! Let's learn some colors. Orange color, yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, violet color, dark blue color, light green color, red color, purple color, dark green color. Today we are trying to learn some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number 8. Eight. Nine. Number 9. Number 10. Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.